Hey team, now I want to get into how to utilize AI to help you with your recipes. So for example, I've gone over this more in the nutrition section of how to use AI and make recipes, but I'm just going to show you a live example right now. So I'm going to write, I need to make dinner and I have chicken thighs, rice, and broccoli, and I have salt and pepper, and I want to make this in 20 minutes or less on the stove. So now it will give me a recipe right in front of me in order to help my goals. And I could be more specific and say specific macros in there as well, which I give you examples in the nutrition portion, but I can also just put it in here. But if I have specific macros, or I want it to cook also lunch for me tomorrow, I would just put that in there. I can also be out, for example, and so I could follow that recipe. I could say, how about for the oven? Maybe I'll mix it up. So let it finish, combine everything. Now I'm just going to ask it an additional question and make sure I have leftovers for lunch tomorrow. So this is a tool that I use all the time, guys. Now it'll give me a different addition for the oven, and it'll make sure that, like I said, I have leftovers for tomorrow. And once again, I could put in macros even, and it will tell me how much I should do. So what if I'm eating out, for example? Let's give a easy restaurant like Zona Fresca. So I am eating out at Zona Fresca. Give me 3 high protein, low calorie options I can order. All right, so you could do this like at any restaurant, for example, and any major restaurant, and it would do it. And if not, it would give you probably a really good estimate. So I utilize this ChatGPT in particular. If you could use another type of AI as well, and it can really help out, customize the menu for you. Like I said, I showed you how you can create a recipe. Here's how you can eat out. And then the last one, maybe if you're eating out and you could put in a specific dish and say, would this dish be healthy, or should I eat this, or should I eat this, and just type in real quick, what you should order. Like, I am eating out and I have 2 options. Which should I pick for a low calorie but high protein? And I know I spelled that wrong, but it's not that important for this meal. And I'll say my 2 options are a chicken salad or a cheeseburger. Man, just example, you could pick 2 specific things and like actually write a little bit about it. That'd be cool. And now it's going to tell me exactly what I should do, why I should do it, and which I should go with. And it usually is right. It's not always right, but it's a great tool that I use daily in my creation of my recipes and things like that, to give me inspiration at home or to help me pick better foods out. Try it out yourself. I think it's going to be very beneficial for you.